Where will the ETH crypto go after 10% jump? This hasn't been a great week for cryptocurrency in general. In the Wormhole attack, $320 million was successfully heisted by hackers on Wednesday, February 2nd. This included $251 million of Ethereum and $47 million. ART Invest has a highly bullish stance on Ethereum. The investment management firm of Cathy Wood predicts that before the end of the decade, ETH will have either met or surpassed a $20 trillion market capitalization. In this future, it sees each coin being priced individually at $170,000 to $180,000. Put another way, it sees the price Ethereum exceeding Bitcoin's highest price point by more than $100,000 at minimum. The Wormhole bridge service moving tokens between Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL, suffered an exploit that took 120,000 ETH. The Wormhole exploit was one of the biggest in the past months. In 2021, overall bridge and DeFi exploits went above $680 million in total, with individual exploits much lower in comparison to the latest heist. Analysis of the transactions discovered that the hacker had enough knowledge of the Solana protocol and created faked transactions which were then approved as real. This led to the creation of 120,000 wrapped ETH on Solana. Solana, SOL, one of the hottest tokens in 2021, had its share of technical flaws in the past year. Over the past 24 hours, Ethereum's crypto ETH price rose 8.01% to $2,827.73. This continues its positive trend over the past week, where it has experienced an 18% gain, moving from $2,405.05 to its current price. As it stands right now, the coin's all-time high is $4,878.26. The trading volume for the coin has decreased 30% over the past week, while the overall circulating supply of the coin has increased 0.11% to over 119.44 million. The current market cap ranking for ETH is number 2 at $337.75 billion. The Getting block, which in a way acts as a medium for raising cryptocurrency funds for nonprofit organizations. This year received over $69.6 million in cryptocurrency, which is 16 times more than the $4.2 million donated in 2020. Surprisingly, this year the most donated cryptocurrency turned out to be not Bitcoin, but Ethereum, with over $30.7 million in donations. This was followed by Bitcoin at $25.8 million, and stablecoins such as USDC and DAI followed with $2.2 million and $1.4 million respectively. The breakup of month-wise donations makes it clear that about 29% of all donations, which translated to about $20.1 million, came in December. And about 50% of the $69 million were received just in November and December. Ethereum is climbing higher today as various cryptocurrencies continue to rebound after a rough start to the year. But some crypto traders might be wondering if Ethereum is still a buy at its current price. There aren't surgically accurate lines, but using BTC/USD as a gauge has worked well before. ETH/USD at these levels is already reasonable. If it falls into below $2,000 per coin, it would make for a solid at spot. I don't believe I will pounce all in at any level. While the cryptocurrency market has had a stellar year so far, it has recently seen its total valuation fall around 10% to $2.6 trillion. Profit-taking was part of the reason for the decline. Ethereum had a rough start to 2022. The second largest cryptocurrency by market cap fell from US $3,767 on January 1 to a low of $2,411 on January 22. Since then, it has recovered to trade at around the $2,700 range, but remains significantly lower than its 52-week high of $4,818. If you can stomach the volatility, the current low price could be an excellent buying opportunity. Buying a share of these ETFs essentially gives you exposure to a proportionate amount of Ethereum. What's cool is that these ETFs can be held in your TFSA, or RRSP, meaning that when you sell, you pay zero income tax. Ethereum, and other blockchains for more than $320 million. Suspicious transactions were noticed by prominent crypto security analyst Samson. Blockchain researchers reverse-engineered the scenario of the attack. Malefactors managed to authorize 80,000 ETH transactions from Solana to Ethereum. In bridges, the liquidity from one blockchain is launched in smart contracts to mint the corresponding number of tokens in the other blockchain. If Ethereum gets 51% attacked and reverts, Arbitrum and Optimism revert too, and so cross-rollup applications that hold state on Arbitrum and Optimism are guaranteed to remain consistent even if Ethereum gets 51% attacked. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.